see me sometimes singing at some little restaurant or something like that on the side or something with a band called the Brooklyn Pickup All-Stars? Oh, y'all just said, now wait, I know the Pickup All-Stars are out here. Y'all represent. Let me hear y'all like a jing. Yeah, it's okay. They out there. And guess what? Because I know y'all, if you ain't part of the book, you like, you wasn't in the band. You know, you confused me over here, and I thought, I know they said they had a seat way in the back, but you know, I thought they was up here. You like, you just got excited when I said that. Brooklyn Pickup All-Stars. Dap Kings, that was before you guys. Oh, you know what I need right now?